Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be showing you some different techniques to ice your cake like this. So here we are making the cake of the Christmas theme. First take a cake like this and then draw the lines of red color using red cream. Now draw the white lines. Here we are making a Santa Claus theme like this. So make its eyes and it's done. We will take a green color cake and then make the lines on it using a spatula. Now put the white dots to make the snow over it. Now we will take a strawberry to make the Santa Claus. So take it like this, make its hat, eyes. Now take another strawberry and put some leaves like this on it to make the Christmas tree. Put some gifts around and it's ready. Next, take a cake like this and then put the green color cream over it and spread it using the spatula. Draw the lines over it like this. Now put the white color cream like this to make a snowman. Draw the muffler on its neck and its hat like this. Now draw its eyes. Make the tree using the spatula like this. Put it and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be creating some more interesting cakes. Here we are making a Christmas theme house cake. So for that, you have to draw the lines on it like this. Make the designs on it using a spatula. Now cut it like this and then make a stand. Now draw the white color cream over it and spread it to make the snow. Now we will make the Christmas tree using the strawberry like this. Choose the nozzle pin of the icing cake very carefully, otherwise you won't get the desired results. Next, we'll be creating some more interesting icing cakes. Here, take a red color cream and then make a sitting Santa Claus like this. Draw its legs and hands. Draw the lines on it using white color to give it a touch like this. Now we will make the face of the Santa Claus. So we will take a red color cream. First, give it a finishing to its dress using the black and white color cream. Draw its face like this. Now we will draw the eyes and nose over it. Give it a finishing touch properly. Use black color cream to give the eyes and nose. Make its beards. Make a hat using the red color cream like this on the top, and your Santa Claus will be ready. You can decorate your cake in many more ways as shown in the video. You can try your ways too, and it's done. Thanks for watching.